Nah, I'm an Ada folklore, so I'm not gonna go walk into fairy rings. First off, that's a kidnap charge, and on top of that, that's servitude for the rest of eternity. Nah, I'm just gonna go into the forest and whistle at night. Just get a clean sweep taken out. Stakini eating my liver? Fine. Kushtaka taking me out? Fine. Flying head devouring me? Alright. Dear woman drowning me? Actually, I would feel really sad about that one if she made that decision because, like, then I'm a bad person and yikes. But I'm just saying, the Fae, that's too much work. That's like doing stuff. I want off the planet, not do more work. God. Okay, bye.